Ever wondered how to identify villages that lack hospital access? With MAPOG, you can visualize healthcare gaps using spatial tools. Today, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a buffer map to locate hospitals near villages with MAPOG. Step 1. Create your map. Go to story.mapog.com and click Create New Map. Enter a suitable title and description. Click Save. Step 2. Upload village and hospital data. Click Process Data. Search for GIS data and add the GIS layers for villages and hospitals from MAPOG's public data repository. These will serve as your base for analysis. Step 3. Click Process Data. Then select Buffer Tool. Choose the village layer. Set the buffer distance to 5 kilometers, which simulates hospital accessibility for rural residents. Click Submit. You'll see rings appear around each village. Step 4. Spatial Join with hospitals. Now, click Process Data, then select Spatial Join. Set hospitals as the joining layer and the 5 kilometers village buffer as the main layer. Set the joining operation as within. Set this to save as a new layer and click on one-to-one option. Lastly, hit Submit. This links each hospital to nearby villages that fall within the buffer zone. Step 5. Click Style Layer to customize the final map. You can change the style of Spatial Join layer to quantity categorizing buffers by number of hospitals within 5 kilometers of buffer layer. Assign icons for hospitals, then click on different buffers to see its information. Step 7. Click Preview and Share. Choose to make it public or private. Copy the link or invite collaborators via email. That's how you visualize rural healthcare coverage and identify hospital needs with MAPOG's buffer and spatial join tools. Contact us at support@mapog.com. And if you loved this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Thank you for mapping with MAPOG.